many speculations, rumors and leaks of the OnePlus latest flagship device, which is the OnePlus 6. Now it is officially out, and today in this video we are going to take a look onto the first impressions and a short hands-on review of the new OnePlus 6. So hey guys, Arnav here from Tech Arena, and before moving on to the video, if you end up liking this, do consider smashing the like button and also click the red color subscribe button below the description box. It's absolutely free. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you stay updated in the channel. So now I would like to thank Ding and the team from OnePlus for helping me out to get a unit for reviewing as well as doing the first impressions video, and because of them this video is happening. So thank you OnePlus. Let's move on to the video. Now let's talk about the physical overview of the OnePlus 6. On the front you have a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with earpiece and sensor and a notch display, and also on the front you have a 16 megapixel f2.0 electronic image stabilized camera, and you don't have any navigation button below the screen, it's under the screen, which gives you a 82.4% screen to body ratio. On the back you have a glass panel and a vertical dual camera setup, in which the primary camera houses a 20 megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture optic image stabilization, and the secondary camera houses a 16 megapixel sensor with f1.7 and no stabilization. And on the right you have power button and the alert slider, and on the left you have the volume rockers as well as the SIM tray. Now this phone does not support any expansion of storage, so you can only pop in 2 SIMs. On the top you have the primary mic for noise cancellation, and on the bottom you have the retained 3.5mm jack, the secondary mic, the USB Type-C as well as the speaker grill. Now let's talk about the specifications in depth of the OnePlus 6. This OnePlus 6 runs on the Qualcomm's latest flagship chipset, which is the Snapdragon 845 SoC. The RAM variants are available in 2 types, which is 6 and 64 GB, 8 and 128 GB respectively. There are 3 colors available, which is the mirror black, matte black and a white color. Now this smartphone runs on Android 8.1 built on top of Oxygen OS 5.1. Now OnePlus has already promised that this smartphone will be getting the Android P update. The OnePlus 6 is said to be water resistant, but they have not given any rating whether it is IP65, 67 or 68. They have said me that this OnePlus 6 can stay up to 1 minute in deep waters. So I guess there is no rating for the water resistance in this device. Now let's talk about the user interface. So when you compare it with the OnePlus 5T, I feel that the same speed has been kept in the OnePlus 6 also. Yes, OnePlus is said to have a fastest UI in the world. When you see all the speed tests done by all the reviewers around the world, you can find that the OnePlus 6 user interface is so fast, and the updates, as I said, will be promised very early by OnePlus. The camera samples, the benchmark test and also the slow motion footage will be available in my full review of the OnePlus 6. And now I'm currently testing the device, so please stay tuned in my channel to get the full review of the OnePlus 6. Thank you guys, hope you like this video. Peace.